everyone, welcome back to Motor Minded. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300, an icon of off-road capability, luxury, and reliability, now stepping into a new era with exciting powertrains and tech upgrades. In this video, we'll walk through all the key features, performance specs, design elements, and the standout points that make this SUV truly extraordinary. Let's get rolling. The 2026 LC300 continues the boxy, muscular aesthetic with a massive grille, sleek LED headlights integrated into the design, and flared fenders for a tough presence. Mobile color palette options include white pearl, black, silver, magnetic gray, red mica, midnight blue, and region-specific hues. Details like sunroof, roof rails, running boards, skid plates, and optional special packages. Heritage Edition with bronze accents, Adventure Package, TRD Pro. Enhance both form and function. The vehicle measures around 4,965 mm long, 1,980 mm wide, and 1,925 mm tall, maintaining a commanding presence. Seating flexibility ranges from 5 to 7 passengers. Boot space is 175 L behind the third row, expanding to over 1,000 L with seats stowed up. With Toyota Safety Sense enhancements, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pedestrian and cyclist AEB, road sign assist, and lane departure alert with steering assist. The LC300's unmatched off-road capability, with features like electronic KDSS, locking diffs, crawl control, multi-terrain select, and exceptional ground clearance, puts it among the best in its class. Step inside. The cabin blends rugged functionality with plush features. Leather and brushed aluminum are common, especially on higher trims. It boasts a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, supported by over-the-air updates. Keeping tech fresh without a trip to the dealer. Driver instrumentation includes modern TFT clusters, varying sizes depending on region and trim. Front seats are power adjustable, heated and ventilated, with memory settings. Second row seats can slide and recline, and third row seats fold flat or automatically. Great for flexibility. 4-zone or tri-zone climate control ensures occupants remain comfortable in all rows. Cabin includes extras like a cool box in the center console, wireless charging pad, 220V inverter, ample storage, and numerous tethering/charging points. Features include wireless smartphone integration, premium audio systems, extensive USB-A/C ports, voice control, navigation, and sometimes rear entertainment/entertainment screens depending on trim. Additional systems include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, 360 degrees cameras, multi-terrain monitor, and trailer sway control. The interior masterfully blends rugged durability with premium touches and technology, giving it crossover appeal for luxury buyers and adventure seekers alike. Under the hood, the standard 2026 LC300 is powered by a 3.3L twin-turbo V6 diesel delivering around 309 horsepower and a massive 700 Nm of torque. It pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission, equipped with full-time 4WD and a locking center differential for serious off-road traction. Acceleration is brisk, 0-100 km/h in approximately 7.4 to 7.8 seconds. Combined fuel efficiency is roughly 8.9 L/100 km, and equipped with an 110L dual fuel tank, delivering nearly 1,230 kilometers of driving range, making its debut. In the LC300 lineup, the hybrid model combines Toyota's twin-turbo 3.5L V6 with an electric motor to produce approximately 457 horsepower altogether, the most powerful Land Cruiser ever. The hybrid system retains the 10-speed automatic gearbox and integrates electric torque for smoother acceleration and low-end grunt, ideal for technical terrain. Toyota previews this variant in select markets, like Australia, in the first half of 2026, with broader availability to follow. A bold upgrade. Toyota introduces a world-first electronic KDSS, kinetic dynamic suspension system, which can decouple front and rear stabilizer bars to improve suspension travel off-road. Expect selectable locking differentials, front, center, rear, giving maximum traction when the terrain gets tough. The 2026 LC300 continues the boxy, muscular aesthetic with a massive grille, sleek LED headlights integrated into the design, and flared fenders for a tough presence. Thanks for watching.